Good afternoon. I'm Tanya Burris Mallory. I am the pastor of Historic Allen Chapel Church, and here in Terre Haute, Indiana, we are having our bell ringing. It is a fundraiser for the Historic Friends of Allen, who is the group that has been majorly responsible for the preservation and the restoration of this historic site here. They have been doing this for almost 20 years now, trying to restore and preserve the building in which is still a house of worship and part of history. It served as a place on Underground Railroad, also one of the schools, and a place of worship.